Yo, what's up, ninjas? Ready to watch Naruto right from your terminal? Let's dive in. First, we gotta get ani-cli and other packages to set up. So here's the deal. Use the command sudo apt-get install fzf, sudo apt-get install mpv, sudo apt-get install curl, sudo apt-get install jq, sudo apt-get install git. Then, clone the ani-cli repo. Just pop this command in your terminal. Git clone https://github.com/pistardust/ani-cli.git. What this does is pull the whole ani-cli project from GitHub right into your machine. It's like grabbing your favorite ninja scroll. Next, you gotta change your directory to get into the ani-cli folder. Do this, cd ani-cli. Now you're inside the ani-cli directory, ready to go? But hold up, we need to give it permission to run. Just hit this command, chmod +x ani-cli. This little command gives ani-cli the green light to execute, like saying, you're good to go. All right, now you're all set to start watching some Naruto. Just search for it with this command, /ani-cli, search Naruto. Select the movie or episode. So that's all there is to it. Now grab some ramen, kick back, and enjoy the show. Believe it,